So far, I have taken an 8% hit, but I've managed to outperform TQQQ by 9.5%. Hey everyone, welcome to Million Dollar SIP, where I'm documenting my real-time journey of growing my portfolio from $0 to $1 million in 10 years using a hybrid SIP strategy. And today is day 9. I'll take you through my investment decision, trade execution, and performance update. The first step in my strategy is to determine how much to invest for the day. I follow a fixed weekly investment limit where I invest $750 during an uptrend and $1,000 during a downtrend, following a 2:3 ratio. The number of units I buy varies based on market conditions, but I always stay within this weekly limit. To decide how many units to buy, I check the previous day's price action on the 1-day time frame, and if both the opening price and closing price are above the 12 EMA, I buy 2 units. If both opening price and closing price are below the 12 EMA, or if either the opening price or closing price are below the 12 EMA, I buy 3 units. So now looking at yesterday's daily candle, I found that both the opening price and closing price were below the 12 EMA. So I decided to buy 3 units today. Once I decide how many units to buy, the next step is to determine my entry point. I switch to a 5-minute time frame and wait for the price to dip below the 12 EMA and then bounce back above it before entering. At market open, TQQQ was trading below the 12 EMA and I waited for a bounce. And at 9.5, the price broke back above the 12 EMA with a clear breakout signal. So I entered my trade where I bought 3 units at $72, investing $217. Now looking at today's performance, since I started this journey, my total investment so far is $1,873. By the end of the day, TQQQ closed at $74.91, bringing my total holdings market value to $1,723. My average price per unit currently stands at $81.4. With today's market movement, my net loss till date is $150, translating to a loss percentage of 8%. Since I started this strategy, TQQQ has dropped by 17.5%, but my portfolio is down only 8%, meaning I have outperformed TQQQ by 9.5% so far. This approach of strategic averaging down and adjusting position sizes allows me to mitigate losses more effectively compared to a simple buy and hold strategy in TQQQ. So that wraps up day 9 of my investment journey. I'll continue sharing daily updates, and at the end of each week, I'll post a weekly performance summary to analyze my overall progress. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along to see how this journey unfolds. See you in the next video.